Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video I will show you how to up and down your device sound by the Sigbar of Sketchware. So at first I'm creating a new app, Sigbar sound. So okay, now here I'm setting a Sigbar at first, the main thing, and then I'm setting a text view. I'm setting the text size to 30 sp. Now we have to go to on activity create and then set add source directly. Now we have to set some code there. Please get this codes from the description of the video. Now go to view and add the Sigbar on progress changed. Now set some codes there by giving add source directly. Here you go. I have set the codes there. Here you see something text view 1. So what we have to do is to set the text view 1 because we set the text view 1 because this ID is text view 1. If it would be text view 20, then you must have written here text view 20. Okay, as it is text view 1, I am setting the text view 1 and the other things are okay. And on the on activity create, here you see here the audio manager, they are taking the audio manager and then the audio service. Now see this Sigbar 1 here. This is Sigbar 1 as here it is Sigbar 1. Here you see the Sigbar 1. So if it would be Sigbar 2, 3, 4, then you would have to write it there. Okay. So everything is okay now. Now I'm running the app. Please wait a while. Please wait some seconds. Now at first I am turning on music on my phone. Here you go. Now the sound is increasing and decreasing. Thank you for watching this video. You can go to my channel to get all the Sketchware tutorials. Thank you.